Hey guys, this is Des here from Dzdjewelry.com, and I want to give you a quick little overview of my jewelry find from Bargain Bead Box. I have a link to the Bargain Bead Box on my blog, Dzdjewelryblog.com, and it's a jewelry subscription, where you can get all these lovely items every month. For my rate is $15.95, and this month for January I got $61 of items for $15.95. And I guess you have to check it out because they're different tiers, I'm sure, but I have the $15.95 one, and I just want to give you a quick overview. You can check out the whole video at my YouTube channel at dzdjewelry.com. And you really get some really nice items. Like, for example, I got these nice little earring findings, and they're really quality copper brass items. So I can make some earrings out of those. And each item is numbered, and they're labeled with the sheet that you get. You get a whole little sheet here. See, shipping identification key, and they're labeled. So, like, for example, number 11 is some Chinese crystal rondo beads, ivory, and there they are, and they're real beads. And that's why I did it, because you get some real beads, you get a chance to try out different beads every month, and I can like make a bracelet, make some earrings. You know, I'm the earring queen. I love making earrings. And you get to try them, and they're real, like ivory. I mean, like, when you get a chance to work with ivory, unless you just have money like that. Check this out. They have number, let me see what that is. I don't know the number of that one. I want to show you guys this one. Number 8, coconut. Those are coconut. Number 8 right there, what I'm showing, I'm highlighting. They're coconuts, shell carved leaves. And I mean, some people might not use coconuts, actually carved. Some people do, so good for you. I haven't, so okay. And then up here is labradorite, the Tree of Life pendant. I'm gonna use that for sure. Yay! And some labradorite beads, some loose, some stringed, so I can use those all together right there. Boom. I just saw someone make some earrings with those little cute little birds, so I might obviously make earrings with those. And look at the quality of this little pendant right here. So, and they have some quartz, mint quartz, lavender quartz. So we have some great items here. So check out. And they also send you a coupon every month. They send you a coupon on the back of the sheet. You get a coupon. They, if you want to enter their contests. So check out beadbargainbox.com. And like I said, you can go to my blog, plug, dzdjewelryblog.com to find out more information, or just go to bargainbeadbox.com, and they can hook you up for a monthly fee. And it used to come in a box, but now it comes in a bag. They're trying to save space, save money, save the environment, and everything comes in all packaged in this cute little bag. And like I said, for $15.95, to get like $61 worth of products, and you can make something right away. You can make a pendant, make a couple bracelets, a couple earrings. Look at all these findings I got. I mean, this is great. Look at all these earring findings, earring backings, and all the products are, top quality. Who can beat that? So, okay. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.